Riding through the night trying to keep my eyes open. Generators busted and the AC's broken. Talking to the Lord, hope He helps us get this safe. And we made it to the show, now we're singing to the crowd. Playing encore and I'll scream it real loud. Try to get home early but I know that ain't the case. Yes, in a hotel room, sleeping on the floor. I'm hurting in the morning from the night before. Paid my dues and I'm leading up the road. I'm coming home, baby, leave the porch light on. Breakfast in the morning from 7 to 9, but I just can't seem to wake up on time. Grab a cup of coffee and we're up and hit the road. Now running on fumes, no time to kill. We got one more show and a shitty little deal. Breaking my back, just a couple loonies. Yeah, it's not the hotel room, sleeping on the floor. Hurting in the morning from the night before. I paid my dues and I'm leading up the road. I'm coming home, baby, leave the porch light on. Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers again with you, with hopefully another interesting little ditty for you. Another new one on me, probably a new one on you as well, in many cases. And it's a song called Porch Light by a gentleman called Josh Meloy. M-E-L-O-Y. Okay. Standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the first fret. This is the way he plays it. Okay. So standard tuning, fret, first fret. Capo first fret, sorry. Right, so quite a simple song, but quite pleasant. Introduction, right. Now, again, it's very simple chord-wise. I'll just show you the chords quickly. The first chord is an F major 7. The way I play it is like this. It's like an F chord, but lift up the first finger, so there's no bar, top string open, okay? So you can either play it like 4 downwards like that. I like to play it like this myself. So it's like an F, 4-fingered F with the bar lifted up. So from a standard F, this third finger goes up to the 3rd on the 5th string, and the pinky takes over on the 3rd on the 4th string from the capo. Lift up the bar, top string open, 5 downwards. Okay, so that's the first chord. Second chord is a basic C chord. Third chord is a G. You can either play a G like that, G like that, or you could even play a 4-finger G doubling up on the top 2 strings, 3rd fret if you want to. And then an A minor, which sometimes is hammered into with the first finger. So open, when you strum into it, initially the first finger is off, and it hammers into it like that. Okay, so that's the basic chord structure. Now the introduction is probably the hardest part of the song, really, I think. Okay, so we start off with the F major 7th, either a simple version like that or what I call a 4-fingered version like this. And what you do is you initially start off with the 2nd finger lifted off the 3rd string on the 2nd fret. Okay, so the 3rd string's open. You strum the chord and hammer into that 2nd fret on the 3rd string. So it's okay. And then what you do is you do it backwards. So it's so on that last 2, it's you sort of lift off the 2nd finger to leave it open at the end. So the first one is hammering in, and then you strike it again and lift it off. So the strum, if you watch my hand, it's down, hammer in, up and down, and and then you go down and lift it off. Okay, so it's like that sort of thing. So when you go, so the last upstroke is when you've lifted off the second finger. Okay, and basically you do the same thing on a C chord with the second on the fourth. Okay, got that? So you got G to an A minor hammering in with that first finger. Okay, so that's the first phrase, very slowly. Second time you repeat that again, the F major 7th to the C, it just goes to the G this time, now A minor, right, 2 lots of G rather than an A minor. So that's the intro, okay, and it's also in between verses, it's like intro, verse, chorus, intro, verse, chorus, intro, or it's an outro in that case. Okay, you get the idea. So normalish speed, it's right into the song, and the song is just basically, you don't have to worry about hammers and pull-offs on the verse. It's just F major 7th, again still the F major 7th, driving through the night, C and trying to keep my eyes open, G, generators busting, A minor and the A, C is broken, F, talking to the Lord, hope C helps you get there, C, G, well safe. So it's basically the same as the intro, but no hammers and pull-offs. Okay, so the first is F, C, G, A minor, and the second phrase is F, C, G. 2 lots, no A minor. Okay, so from the beginning of the verse, driving through the night, C, but to keep our eyes open, G, generators busted, A minor, the 3, C is broken, F, major 7th, C, tempers, get G, stay on G, save, and then just repeat the whole lot again. And we made it to the show, now I'm singing in the crowd, I play an encore, then I scream it real loud, I try to get up early, but I know that ain't the case. Got the idea? So we just do the whole intro and the first verse. And then all we've got to do really is teach you the chorus, which is very simple. Okay, so here we go. It's a bit slower than it is on the record probably. Here we go. Driving through the night, trying to keep my eyes open, generators busted and my AC's broken, talking to the Lord, hope He helps us get there safe. And we made it to the show, now I'm singing on the crowd, and playing an encore and I'll scream it real loud, try to get home early but I know the case. Okay, got the idea? Now we go into the chorus. So 2 lots of G, lowercase. Yeah, it's just another, and it's the same chord sequence again. Hotel room, sleeping on the floor. I'm hurting in the morning from the night before. I paid my dues, leading up the road. Right, so basically it's the same chord sequence again. So the chorus goes, yes, it's another, and on you come in on a hotel is an F major 7th. So it's case, yeah, it's another hotel room, sleeping on the floor. I'm hurting in the morning from the night before. I paid my dues, I'm leading up the road. And what it does there is I'm coming, it says I'm coming, you just stop on the G. So it's I paid my dues and I'm coming up the road. I'm coming home, baby, leave the porch light on. Okay, and then you do the intro again. Okay, so it goes, pay my dues, I'm leading up the road. I'm coming home, baby, leave the porch light on. Okay, and there you have it. That's the verse and the chorus and the intro. Right, now the only thing other that you could do is on that line where he stops on the G, where it goes, I pay my dues, I'm leaving up the road, I'm coming home, baby, let the porch light on. You can do that sort of muted strum if you like. It's up to you whether you like it or not. I think he does it sometimes, sometimes he doesn't. So as soon as you hit that G, you sort of take your pressure off the strings and put your first finger across them or something, just to mute the strings, or just put your whole hand across it, whatever, and do the old when you're singing that. So pay my dues and I'm leading up the road. I'm coming up and baby leave the porch light on. And then into the intro again, okay? Then it does another verse 2, which is exactly the same to play as verse 1. Another chorus, okay, which is exactly the same to play as the first chorus. And all he does is really, when he comes out of the second chorus, where it goes, yeah, it's another hotel room, sleeping on the floor, hurting in the morning from the night before. I paid my dues, leaving up the road. Coming home, baby, let the lights light on. And that's how he normally finishes it, I think. So he does the intro, and the second time round, as soon as he gets to the G, it's just a single stop on the G. So that's I think that's how he normally finishes it live anyway. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. That's my take on the Porch Light from Josh Meloy, or Meloy, which is how you pronounce it. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.